Arya Anil Rawat. I am from NL Dalmia High School. I love robotics very much. It is a very interesting and interactive thing for all of us to learn.
I am Kian Rathi from NL Dalmia High School and I am here to share my experience with robotics. We have had a wonderful year with robotics.
Made us to build some concepts such as motor cars and mixer machines, through which we learned a lot about what is the function of buttons and how to use motor drivers while connecting it to the power button. So it was truly a wonderful experience and I enjoyed it a lot.